Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're checking out something that I was kind of leery to order because I wasn't 100% sure it was like genuine Lego, but it looks like it is. And what it is it's an assemblable, it's a buildable ruler. And I was curious to check it out, and it's available on Amazon. I'll include a link in the description if you want to check it out. I think it was like 10 bucks, 11 bucks, something like that. And I'm kind of a sucker for Lego. Anyway, let me show you the package real quick. Here's the front and the back. Now, I'm curious to see. One thing I was trying to figure out is if this is like, I think it's legitimately like a real legit Lego item. Well, let's take a look at this and see. We can at least double check and make sure that the Legos are real, you know, Lego. Alright. That's interesting. Do we have instructions? Ooh, we do have instructions. Exciting. Alright. I'm guessing this is Lego. Alright, so you got two of the pieces. You put the other pieces on. You put the other pieces on. And you put the other pieces on. I guess those are just, what does it look like? It looks like 1x6 tiles. Maybe 1x6 tiles with the printing on them. Alright, let's take a look. Okay, so I don't know if y'all can see that in the camera or not. These have Lego. These definitely look like they're Legos. And these are Lego. Well, those seem to be Lego. I guess those are too. Okay. Anyway, let's take a look at this. See what we got. These are different colors. That kind of makes it easier. Alright. So based upon our super helpful instructions, I guess this is if you make a 6-inch ruler. I feel like I should make the big ruler. Alright. So let's see. Make the big ruler. We need two of these. You put this over roughly in the middle. Let's sort of make this easier on ourselves. There. There. And there. Like so. And that'll take care of this one. I kind of feel like this is one of those things where having these tiles with the numbers on them gives you a great deal of opportunities to do stuff. Alright. So let's see. Does it say any particular way you wanted it wants it to be done? So blue on the bottom, red on the top. Alright. So 5, 6 through 10, This is, I guess this is, the reason for this is in case you just go with the, oh, okay, cool. I get it. So you only use this one if you're doing the 6-inch one. If you're not doing the 6-inch one, you use this 13 through 18. And then 19 to 24. And 25 and up. And for the other side, we do inches. So we got that one. And that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that does answer my question about the 6 inches. 7, 8, 9. Alright, so you have the shorter pieces here in case you decide to opt for just doing the 6-inch ruler, which is kind of neat. And then you can put stuff across the top here, as not so subtly suggested by this. And it looks like raw red, orange, yellow, G. Okay. So they even give you like the whole Roy G. Biv thing to do. Alright, so here's a starter one. Red, orange, yellow, green, greener, light blue, blue, brown, and black. Brown, black, and like so. Okay. So that's not a bad ruler, I guess. I mean, it's a little, I don't know if you can tell or not, but there's a little bit of a bow to it because these pieces down here. I tell you what might be an interesting thing to do is swap these pieces for, what is this? 6, 10. Where's the 6-inch mark? So it's 6 inches. You're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's 20. So it'd be a 20 by 4. You might have to fiddle a little bit to get that to work right. But you might be better off with plates instead of like this sort of very thin base plate material. It might make it for a better ruler. Kind of cool though. Definitely something that's, you know, more interesting than a normal ruler. I like it. Anyway, there's a link in the description if you want to check it out. It's not super expensive, and it gets you some neat pieces. I'm still, I guess those are, they're not stickers. It's printed, and they're actually, yeah, they're printed on there, so I don't know. Anyway, it's kind of cool. If you have any questions or suggestions, let me know in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.